Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Sologenic and specifically about Solo token price. It is pumped hard since yesterday and now trading about 40 cents. Currently it is 37 cents. I did some analysis trying to understand what was the main reason for this growth since October 4th, and I will share it with you today. So let me actually start with volume and price. You know that the price did like about 200% up in some short period of time, or like 2.5, something like that. But what makes me even more curious in here, so the trading volume, it was higher like than yesterday, and now it is 175% more compared than yesterday. It is 10 million in trading volume. And if we check what was like the volume prior October 4th, it was about 500 million thousand, and now it's like 10 million, so it is 20x in volume compare what we have, and like this huge volume only in those 2 weeks. And I was trying to understand what's happened like on 5th October and like then 7th 8th of October, and normally I go to look the tweets about social media because it helps a lot in analyzing, I was able to find hobby exchange listing using this like analysis. So, and the main, I think, reason for October 5th maybe like growth, it's about just like the tweet saying about crypto.com potential listing. The tweet is not about this, just wanted to make some noise, but I think many people will start thinking about this potential listing. And when like the Twitter space was with the team, some people from the community also asked about this, so maybe some people was thinking about this exchange listing at least. And also was checking like October 4th, October 9th, and it was like the tweet also like quote of the day from Bob Ross. It's nothing like news related, but sometimes when they post something, it can be like the flag that something is coming, like for example before hobby listing Reza tweeted with 3 dots. Yeah, it's not much, but at least I'm trying to understand what is happening, because some people are trying to say that it is Binance buying a lot, that's why volume is increasing, but with this 10 million of trading volume, most of this is actually for MEXC exchange. It is 32% for MEXC in trading, and I think it's more retail like random buyers, like prior to like was part of Sologenic community, or it is the new like people joining Sologenic space. So I cannot say for sure it is some exchange listing related or not. I cannot prove that it is Binance buying or not, so there is nothing I could prove. And also like kind of good news which could be also bullish is this XLS 20 amendment like coming soon. Maybe it could drive the price increase, maybe not, because we have such news prior, but at least it is something from social media was covered before. And I was also talking about this in my previous videos about different reasons on why Sologenic could pump to $1, and the number one reason from me was the PR campaign is going to be launched. And I also was curious about this reason of the pump, and I checked like different videos on YouTube about this. And also then was talking about like that other Twitter accounts, like YouTubers, start talking about Sologenic. And here is a tweet from Digital Asset Investor. It is very big account in Twitter, like with 100 plus thousands of followers, and this he's saying like, has anyone done the comparison between Flare network and Quorum? Like, I mean, it's also Sologenic related, and also like this Crypto Gains channel also start to covering Sologenic like this month. So you know, maybe first it is like the price is pumping because like someone just see Solo because of the price pump, or the price pump because those people are started covering this, and maybe because like this campaign of PR started, I just don't know, but maybe it's like vice versa or not, but for sure it is snowball effect. When price is pumping, the coin is going to be like in trending coins somewhere, so some people are starting talking about this, and like it's more and more audience to join in. Just don't know, like, is it first those people interested in coins because of the pump, or pump case by like those people talking. It's just also my opinion to share. And you know, it was also interesting like watching this Crypto Gain video, and what makes me interested that he's comparing their like tokenomics, market cap, and token and circulation of Solar with ICP, which is Internet Computer Token, because they have pretty much the same total supply. And he was like comparing the highest price for ICP. It was actually in the beginning, but still it's trading with quite good prices. But interesting to see this comparison by total supply, because like both of them has so like tiny total supply and circulation. And you know, yeah, like ICP also like drop in price significantly, and it is about $5 only. But I was curious, check the price of Sologenic if it's in the market cap of ICP, and it gives very great results with $3.39. I mean, yeah, maybe it's like in some way it's hard to compare those projects, but Crypto Gains did it, and they also check this market cap, and it looks looks nice. And the last but not least part, I want to talk also about solar burn and how it could potentially impact the price in the future. What makes me bullish about this heavily burning of the token. So as they added this implemented this solar burn feature inside their DEX, and now we have the visibility how many solar are burned. It is actually about 0.15% already. I think it's insane and very huge for such a short period of time, because as far as I know, the solar burn like implemented starting with NFTs. Maybe I missed something, but for myself it was starting with NFT marketplace, which happened in like middle of the February, let's say like March, and it was about half a year only for NFT marketplace live. And since then it was about 120k NFTs minted, which is, and for each NFT means it is 3 solars are burned, and it gives us 360k of solar burned about from those NFTs, which is actually insane and huge amount. And also now like others burning mechanism implemented with token listing on their market page in here. It is 1,000 solar burned for each listing, and for now it is about only 25 projects being listed in there. And also Launchpad is coming, and this burn is also going to be one of the requirements of the initial coin offering in the Launchpad platform. We don't know how much it's going to be, but I think it's going to be pretty much the same amount with thousand, but we will see in the future. But for me it seems it's going to be the same. We will see. And in this half a year it was about 0.15% of the burn. Like we could say that in 1 year potentially it could be twice more, at least with one million something token burns, which is going to be also huge. And I was trying to forecast how much is going to be burned next year. We are pretty sure, like crypto people, especially that NFTs are staying forever in the world of tech, and it will have more utilities, and especially with this XLS 20 amendment other significant changes, it's going to be much more NFT people, NFT project, and more noise about NFTs, and like Sologenic marketplace will have much more NFTs minted, collections, artists, and so on. So I would say it's going to be half a million of NFTs minted in the next year of 2023. So, and it will give us 1 million and half for Solar to be burned. And like with token listing in 1 week, it was about 25 tokens listed. We could say that it's going to be like at least 75 more. I just don't know the market for XRPL, but I could say that 75 is a reasonable amount. And for the Launchpad, yeah, I put pretty much the same. It's hard to forecast. We don't know amount of the solar burned. We don't know how what's the market going to be, but I'm assuming that it's going to be about the same. And even with those NFTs, it's going to be 1.5 million of solar burn, and next year it's going to be another burn. And I also put here this supply demand chart for the basics economics, because when supply, in this chart, supply is increasing, it drives the price of the asset is smaller because it's more supply aided. And same when supply is decreasing, the price is going up. It is something the basics and rules for all the market. So again, it will bring solar price much higher than it could be. I will be happy to see it with ICP price. For now, I'm saying that it's going to $1 at least for now. Could it be higher? Yes, for sure, because even with 8x, the market cap is going to be about 1 billion, which is also reasonable and doable. So with this market cap of ICP, it is 39 ranking, which is high, but at the same time we are so down in the bear market. So I would say that this 1 billion is very reasonable for Sologenic in the long run, especially with more people coming, exchanges will be adding. So we don't know the dates of the listings, but we are pretty sure that exchanges are going to be listed. Maybe it will take longer than people expected with those June, May listings everybody was waiting for, mid of this year. But exchanges are coming, more people will be involved, PR campaign are going to start it. So it means it will be more volume and hobby, Gate.io, so it will be much more volume, and the tokens in circulation are decreasing by this solar burn mechanism. It will never be this total supply which is like maximum supply, which is showing here. It is decreasing day by day, so yeah, we will see how it potentially goes. Maybe like it will be dropped soon, I just don't know, but at least some bullish news and thoughts I just want to share with you guys today. So it is actually all. Thank you guys a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.